All right, wheel number 2 on the Porsche, more of the same basically. Curb rash from the bottom here all the way to here. This over here, I believe, is just all dirty. Yeah, that's just wiping off. All right, so we're gonna use the red conditioning disc to grind out this damage, and we'll sand it up. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links in the description below to the tools and products I use, and then keep your eyes open for the DIY kit I'm coming up with. That'll be available pretty soon. Actually, the basic kit, or the starter kit, I believe it is already available, and I'll have a link to that in the description as well. But let's grind this damage out. Clear coat failure there. We're just going to sand that out though. All right, now we'll switch up to the 320 grit on the sander. I still have the 800 grit on here from the last wheel. Hang on. Get a fresh sheet of 320 on here. Now we'll switch to the 800 grit. All right, now we'll go over that with the 1500 grit scuff pad. I'll clean the wheel off. And take a scuff pad and put that surface prep spray on there, and we'll get this cleaned up and ready for clear coat. That should work. Spray a little air on there, make sure it's dry. And we're good.